How to add HTML code in Wix website. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. As you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in one of our Wix website, as you can see. And to be able to add an HTML code, you can either look over here at the bottom, click this open button over here, which will allow you to see the code over here of the specific website. You can add codes into your website through this method, or you could click on add element over here, and over here at the embed and social you will be able to embed a code, and clicking on add to site will allow us to specify where you want to put it in. It's a bit laggy for me, but through this you will be able to manually input a code that you want to have. So let's say I'm attach it over here on the specific area, and I should be able to input a code. As you can see, enter code, and then over here simply put in your code of the specific option that you want. So you could input codes from Stripe, like their payment links, stuff like that. Any code that you want, you will be able to input it through this way and click on apply. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.